Hello everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney, and today we're going to be doing our festive freebie Friday, but it's actually Saturday. So we are going to start off with some freebies here. This one is by Kayla at Printable by Woods for St. Patrick's Day. And I've shared this one before in my Monday video, but I thought I'd share it again since it's on theme. This one is by Saving with Tiffany, and it's a happy birthday one. So I am saving for Aria's birthday in my Mini-Me Mondays, but I am gonna need some extra challenges. So we're gonna do some birthday ones here, and then also for my birthday. And then we have these little Easter ones. These ones are by Plan to Save Designs. So we have 2 pages here that she made, and they're all super cute. So just a few freebies to share with y'all today. And then we're gonna get into our rolling. And I have $21 here. I know it's a random amount, but I had $1 left over in a Valentine's Day challenge that I just didn't end up completing or like even really starting. So I just moved that one over. And I'm gonna do $2 per challenge today just to make it go a little bit faster. So last night I was gonna film a video, but I was really tired, so I took a nap first, and then when I got up I was like, I don't know if I just didn't have it in me, guys. So I missed Valentine's Day, so I'm sorry about that, but I hope y'all all had a good one and enjoyed your time, whatever you ended up doing. I was gonna stay in and just order food, like order Chinese food and watch the new season of Love is Blind. I love that show. But it was like $50 to get literally like 2 things from the Chinese restaurant that I always order from. And I was like, no. So I ended up going to the local like bar that I've been going to for forever, and I actually worked at it for a little bit, and I did some karaoke and had a great time. So okay, so we got $3 in here. So we're gonna just tick off these little birthday candles here. This challenge is by Vicky Thinks. It's a set of 3. She says that each candle is $3, but I'm gonna make it just $1 per candle. And that way it'll be finished faster. I just like to go through challenges and showcase all the different ones. All right, so that'll be going towards Aria's birthday. Aria's birthday is coming up in March, at the end of March. So I have a good amount of time to save for it still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this one has $6 here. This is a freebie on my Ko-fi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can grab this. It's a set of 3 for Easter, and this will be going towards Aria's Easter basket. So I did end up getting Aria's Valentine's Day basket. I didn't take a picture or anything because it was a little chaotic on Friday morning, trying to get her to, you know, do that, and then we had to run out the door. I'm gonna make each one of these rainbows $2. So we have $2 here today, so I'm just gonna cross off that one rainbow. So yeah, I didn't get a picture of her basket, but she loved most of the things that I got her. Some candy and a little squishmallow and a few other things. What she didn't like was there was like a notebook. I thought it was really cute. It was like a purple little notebook with a bear, a gummy bear, but the gummy bear was like squishy. I thought it was really cute, but she was like, that wasn't my favorite. And I was like, that's fine. Thank you for telling me, because I tell her to like let me know if she doesn't like something, because I'm like, I'd rather you tell me so that I know in the future not to get that for you again. All right, so this one we are saving $2, and this is by Overthinking and Budgeting. A little Christmas gingerbread cowboy here. Very cute. So that will go towards our Christmas. Okay, next we have this St. Patrick's Day one. This is by Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets. And we are getting 4. So we are finishing this one today. Yay. So what did y'all end up doing for Valentine's Day? Were y'all chilling inside? Did you go out? Let me know what was going on. And how is your weekend going? Is it going to be a busy weekend, a productive weekend, a restful weekend? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so I'm gonna mark that we saved $16 with this. Today is the 15th, and I'm gonna put this in our bag, and I'm gonna put this directly into our St. Patrick's Day envelope here. Where'd it go? Easter should really be after St. Patrick's Day. I don't know why they're out of order here, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do for St. Patrick's Day yet. What do you guys normally do for St. Patrick's Day? I need some good ideas for what to do with like a 4-year-old. So yeah, but we have $16 saved with that so far. So we'll get a new challenge next week. And then this Easter one is by Canadian Finance Journey. We might finish this one today too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I think we're finishing this one. All right. Okay. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Ooh, that's exciting. All right, so I'm gonna mark again $21 on 215. We'll put that paper in our finished challenges bag, and we're gonna put this in our Easter, oops, in our Easter envelope here. I might need to condense that a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, and then that will go towards getting Ari a little Easter basket when that time comes around. All right, so we finished 2 challenges today, guys, and we have started these. They're off to a great start. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like, give me a comment. Let me know how your weekend has been going so far, how your Valentine's Day was. And if you're new here, I would like it if you subscribed, but you know, up to you. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, and so yeah, if you've been watching and you haven't yet hit that button, go ahead and do that, and I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you all so much for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.